Active Life is providing personal development that combines education, exercise, and mentorship to empower a life of freedom without compromise. I'm Dr. Sean Pastuch, the company's founder and CEO. By best available data, there are close to 100,000 independent businesses where people can go to exercise. And that is not inclusive of local recreation centers, hotel gyms, or gyms in organized communities. On top of that, access to fitness programming is omnipresent. You can find it streaming networks, you can find it on YouTube, and every magazine has a column dedicated to it. We have more access to fitness equipment, information, and convenience than ever. This leads us to a perplexing and frustrating question. Why in 2023 does our society have more obesity, disability, and chronic pain than ever before? Go to an amusement park, ride public transportation, hang out in a supermarket, and observe the health of the people you see. You're going to see dangerous body composition, knee braces, compression socks, ambulatory assistance devices, labored gait, and all of them plus more in abundance. What you're not going to see is the compromises these people, the majority of people, are making with regard to how they live their lives. You're not seeing the missed quality time with family and friends. You're not seeing the vacations they're skipping. You're not seeing the loss of purpose. You're not seeing the sadness. We have yet to meet a person who wants to increase their reliance on medication, eliminate more activities in their life that they enjoy, or keep working the job that sucks the life out of them. We have searched for the answers to our most vexing lifestyle questions, only to find our options overwhelming, incomplete, unreliable, and lacking empathy. After exhaustive search, attempted collaborations, and endless trial and error, we decided the solutions we are looking for simply do not exist. So we decided to become them. Today, I'm going to share what it would mean for you to join us in an effort to become the solution to these monumental problems of our time. The larger the problem, the more valuable the solution. You didn't get into fitness business for the money, but you would like to earn more, provide full-time careers for staff doing meaningful work, and you would like to consistently deliver on the promises made to clients. Every client in your business should get the results they signed up for. And when you put processes in place to assure that they do, money follows. Let's break down a few real case studies of clients who worked with Active Life to realize their financial and impact potential. In case study 1, we're going to look at a CrossFit gym who enrolled with us averaging $12,842.50 per month in top-line revenue. That's $154,110 per year. In that year, the business lost $40,000. In their first full year working with Active Life, this CrossFit gym generated $28,000, $633.75 per month, an increase of $15,791.25 per month in top-line revenue. That works out to $343,605 annually. That first year, the business profited $95,749 for a swing of $135,749 in their bank account compared to the year before working with Active Life. They did this without spending a single dollar on paid traffic and without any big upfront payments to make the books misleading. What would you do with an extra $135,749 in your bank account? Let's go to a second full year this gym was a client of Active Life. Monthly revenue jumped from $12,842.50 in year 0 to $28,633.75 per month in year 1, all the way to $38,232.42 per month in year 2. In year 2, this business generated $458,789 in top-line revenue, almost $500,000. Not bad. What's even better is that the second full year, the year with the most revenue, was also the year with the lowest volume of members. This gym was able to increase revenue by $189,495 in their first year with Active Life, and by an additional $115,184 in their second year, for a total of $304,679 in annual revenue increase from the year they enrolled to just 2 years later. All that without Facebook ads, low barrier offers, and with fewer members. How did they do it? They made 3 key changes. The first change is that they market corrected their pricing. When they did this, the owner was shocked to lose almost no members. The mistake that most gym owners make when they make market corrections on price is that they do it in too small of an increment. Members aren't going to like hearing about a price raise, no matter how small or how much it is. At Active Life, whenever possible, we like to raise rates once and properly. Maybe you've been there before. You've raised rates by 10% or so. Everyone got angry, and it didn't really change your business. So you got all of the stress for very little reward. Not with us. The second key change was to eliminate their part-time coaches who had other full-time jobs and move to an entirely full-time staff. You may think that the person who coaches here and there because they love it, but as a teacher, firefighter, or cop full-time would hate to lose coaching privileges. Often it's a relief to them. They're happy to pay a membership to receive professional coaching. A full-time, dedicated staff allows you to run a real business. The third change this business made was adding personal training in a meaningful way. I know, other companies have told you they know how to add personal training. I'm sure they do, but not like Active Life. The gym in this case study increased personal training from 234 sessions in total the year they enrolled with us to a whopping 3,384 sessions in their second full year with us. That's 282 sessions per month, 65 per week, almost 10 per day. When you get personal training right, it creates happy clients who refer their friends who want to be happy clients. You don't need a tactic or a program to garner referrals. They're a symptom of delivering on your promises. Let's turn our attention to case study number 2. It's also a former CrossFit gym, but this one was a bit more mature when they enrolled with Active Life. This business was doing roughly $40,000 a month in revenue when they enrolled with us. They had over a dozen coaches on staff, and they were doing 0 personal training. In their first full year working with Active Life, this gym shrunk its coaching staff down to 6 and increased monthly revenue to more than $66,000. It's a 65% improvement in just 1 year, while eliminating hobby coaches and creating meaningful careers for inspired staff. That same year, the business profited $259,536. This client achieved their change with a price adjustment that primarily impacted the way that new members enrolled, and by going from 0 personal training whatsoever all the way to 248 sessions per month, 58 per week, almost 9 per day in their very first year. Are you starting to see a trend? Let's keep diving into this gym because we haven't talked about their most recent 12 months yet. In their last 12 months, they have generated over $870,000. They've performed 4,092 personal training sessions at the time of this reporting. Let's diversify the business type and look at the numbers for business that came to us as a personal training gym. The year prior to enrolling with Active Life, this business did $67,787 in top-line revenue. That's $5,648.91 per month. With all due respect to this client, when they came to us, they were not a business. If you came to us today with a business generating $5,648 per month and asked to enroll in ProPath, we would not sell it to you. The reason I'm including this case study here is because it's a great example of the importance of owner temperament. At the time, we didn't have ALP as a program to enroll this person into. Today, we would enroll this gym owner into a program to develop personal coaching business. And then, as their business exceeded their personal capacity, transitioned them to ProPath to teach the next steps of hiring and scaling. Given the resources that we had at the time, and the obviously capable person coming to us for help, we agreed to enroll them in ProPath with the knowledge that the first year would be financially painful. Revenue in that first year grew from $67,787 to $178,079. We helped them hire an employee, and the business lost $2,248 on the year. The owner was finally able to pay themselves for the first time, but the business lost money. Fast forward to year 2 with Active Life. The business generated $238,536 in revenue, profited $43,836, and paid the owner plus full-time staff. Until Active Life, it was believed that the gym member did not want education. It was believed that they simply wanted to show up, get sweaty, work hard, and go home having checked the box for the day. That at most, we should teach them what to do inside of the gym, not why to do it, and definitely not outside of the 4 walls of the gym. We bucked that. Our belief is that for anyone to take any action consistently, the incentive of the action must be worth it, and the action must be likely to lead to the incentive. This is human nature. If we want people to decide something is worth it, they must understand why and how. Educating the individual is at the core of what Active Life's values, and it's what led to mass market adoption. The education we provide meets the learner where they are, providing a mix of auditory, visual, and kinesthetic learning opportunities to meet the needs of each person. We have written our own text, filmed our own curriculum, and recorded our own podcasts. We focus on the didactic content that builds the foundation, and the soft skills of communication and empathy that make the foundation worth building upon. Our thesis is that pairing the education and mentorship that a coach is capable of providing with the exercises coaches are already providing and turning it into a business model is the essential formula for what we will call healthcare in the future. So at Active Life, we put our money where our mouth is and launched our very own brick and mortar flagship location. Let's dive into how that's going in the first 5 months of business. We set this business up with staff on a starting salary of $48,000 per year each, and we opened with 4 people, 3 coaches and 1 leadership staff. Our staff receive pay raises as the business hits various goals. The first financial goal warranting a raise was hit in June, our 6th month in business. In our first month of business, January 2023, the business generated $16,240 in top-line revenue, and we lost $17,715. In month 2, the business lost $10,887. In our 3rd month of business, we were negative $7,811. Trending in the right direction, and not bad for only 3 months in. Month 4, April 2023, the business brought in $29,800, $1,944 of which was profit. We were profitable in our 4th month of business in a 3,000 square foot retail storefront that cost $8,000 in rent with 4 staff on salary. The month of May saw revenue jump to $38,260. We profited $9,912 just 5 months into business. It's June as I record this, and we're over $40,000. Our staff are getting significant raises, and we're going to hit 20% profitability. We're at roughly 30% capacity, and we're starting to get referrals from doctors' offices, physical therapy clinics, and even other gyms in town. The top line capacity for Active Life in Long Beach, New York is over $2 million a year with profit margins over 35% and staff earning 6-figure plus incomes. Every day we prove through our own flagship and through the success of our clients around the world that the Active Life model for customer service and business is the way of the future. We have turned the health and fitness world upside down. We have eliminated all of the friction. No more need for irresistible offers that force you to upsell clients you couldn't deliver for in your group. No more dependency on a single revenue stream to float the business. No more unreliable staff who have to put your business second to their career. No more being one call away from having to jump back into class. No more members who fail to hit their goals. This is the way. Learn more about it by scheduling a call with one of our team members to find out if we're a fit to help your business. The worst case scenario is that nothing changes. The best case is that we're a fit, and you become a part of the movement that is now changing how health and fitness is delivered, experienced, and monetized. Turn pro.